You feel the pressure every quarter. Costs rise, margins shrink. Competitors move faster than you expect. Many manufacturing companies operate with less than $20 million in revenue. Around 17% of them face that reality. Speed matters. Waiting for the market to settle does not work anymore. Brian Dochety, founder and CEO at ANC Group, puts it clearly. Adaptation isn't optional. If you're not evolving, you're extinct. Colombia businesses understand this pressure. They move early instead of reacting late. Local industries continue to grow at about 3.4% each year because leaders invest in the right systems and the right people before disruption hits. Live entertainment drives major economic impact. Manufacturing companies stay competitive through agility. Retail continues to expand with strong revenue growth. Consulting firms tap into global demand as more companies expand outside traditional markets. Growth does not happen by chance. Leaders combine technology, workforce development, and strong regional networks to move faster than their competitors. They modernize operations. They train their teams. They adopt digital tools that create measurable results. They build supply chains that stay flexible when markets shift. Companies that hesitate lose momentum. Companies that act early build stronger teams, stronger systems, and stronger revenue streams. Technology plays a major role in that shift. Proactive monitoring, rapid response support, and customized IT consulting help organizations reduce risk and scale faster. You can read the full article on our website to see how continue to move ahead and what actions leaders take to stay competitive. Add this to your playlist and come back anytime you want a quick breakdown of the ideas shaping business growth in Colombia.